Oh, this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. The detailing of the logo here with the cushioned packaging, you guys. Then you open it and this logo looks absolutely beautiful as well. The shade is absolutely stunning, and I've already swatched it live into the blush. And you see that it picked it up with no problem. And let's see. Of course, we know that it's buildable. Y'all put y'all foot in this. Will you look at this? You guys, this is a beautiful blush. Oh my God. Look at the sheen on it. If y'all don't pick this shade up when it comes back, because it's sold out. You guys, how beautiful. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I love it. You guys chose this shade for me. You guys did good. You guys did good. It's so pretty. Okay, let's put her on the other side too. Let's see how much came out from the brush before we go back in. Look how pigmented, you guys. It looks great on me. Thank you. That's so sweet, you guys. You guys chose it. So the community is to thank for this beautiful, beautiful shade of blush. Oh my God. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Well, and that says a lot about not only the quality and the pigment of the product, but the brush and the tool. Your tool also, in my opinion, can make or break what a product does for you. That is just gorgeous though. Look at the way that lays on the skin. That sheen. Oh, she's beautiful, you guys. Absolutely stunning. I'm so glad to have her. It is the Vive Modern Bronze. I'm going to go in with this shade in my crease, and we'll put the blush on the eyelid. We're gonna keep with the Sonia G T4, and I'm gonna put the bronzer just in the crease here. We'll put the blush on the lid and underneath. Ooh. So this is the T4. I love this brush so much that I own two of them, and you can see why. It goes right into the crease there. No issues at all, right? Let's do the same thing on the other side. No worries. Good night, Lori. Sleep tight. Talk to you later. And we're going to go right into the blush. Oh my God. Look at this, you guys. That is so pretty. All right. This is everything. How pretty is this, you guys? On the eye. Beautiful for a monochromatic look. Oh my God. This blush is stunning. If I go into Nordstrom's and they have them there, I'm going to end up with another one. I checked the website this morning and they weren't there. So, but that doesn't mean that they're not in the store either. So I might end up with another one if they're in the store. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. I've linked these already, you guys, in the broadcast channel. So if you guys want me to keep an eye on any of the shades for you, let me know. Oh my God. This is just beautiful. It is so perfect. Oh, Kat, usually when it's an exclusive, it'll tell us that it's a Sephora exclusive. It's not listed as a Sephora exclusive. Um, right now, I've only seen it at Sephora and on YSL's website, but it's sold out. This shade is sold out on Sephora and on YSL's website right now. When I can shop beauty at Nordstrom's, I prefer to, because I have a Nordstrom card and I get more points when I shop beauty at Nordstrom than I would anywhere else. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I'm going to take it under the lower lash line as well, you guys. Um, you're paying your bills down. That's the way to go, Mo. Absolutely. All right. Let's use the same brush. And we're going to take it under the lower lash line now. And you guys know I love a multi-use product. So anytime you can get more out of a product that you pay for, it's absolutely worth it, because this basically is a 2-in-1, right? Eyeshadow and a blush. I don't think I saw the reel. I'm going to have to go check it out. And I'm going to use, this is your, oh, Pencil Pro. Yeah, mine too. But I want a blowout look. So I love to use this one to blow it out under the lower lash. Pencil Pro is so good. I'll show her to you guys with Pencil Pro. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh wait, Pencil Pro, I don't have my Pencil Pro out. I only have my large pencil, but same type of thing. So this is my Pencil L. And definitely great to just add that pigment under there. And you see how quickly it did so? For the inner corner though, we're going to use our Chanel Jadot Lumiere quad. I've been loving that quad and I'm so glad that I picked it up. It is limited edition, so if you haven't gotten it yet and you're interested, I highly recommend doing